Guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to make magnesium sulfate anhydrous form. It will be used as a drying agent. Some also use molecular C's, calcium chloride, copper sulfate anhydrous, not in hydrated form, silica gel, etc. But I don't have now, so I will be using Epsom salt, which is used as a bath salt. It's 2 kilogram. Oh, sorry, 1 kilogram by weight. A pan we need to dry it. Found in a magnesium magnesium sulfate dot heptahydrate. Hepta means 7 molecules of water. Firstly, it will be going to do hexahydrate, then pentahydrate, then mono, then only one will be there. We'll be boiling all the water present in it. So let's start. This 1 kilogram will be much for me. Some will be going to use as for chemical reactions. It is found in a crystal form. See, I'm going to pour how much as I can. This crystal has a much lot of water. All 1 kilogram has been fitted inside it. It's a strawberry as a bath salt, a pure 100% magnesium oxide, hydroxide. Sorry. Oh, some of the split out down there. The sound is of a exhaust fan. I'm using here in my kitchen because it's not so dangerous. Let me mix it all up. Some also used keeping all in 2 trays and then fitting in a oven, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use this method. Don't want a background, it's my kitchen, you know. Now it has been started. It will take time to get. Oh, it's recovered. So I lost it. So it's not that much. Let me raise. It is just my camera. It's not. It will not decompose at this temperature because it has a high temperature to decompose. It needs 1109 degrees Celsius to decompose into magnesium oxide and sulfur dioxide gas. It is in solid form, but it has much water. It is formula of MgSO4 dot 7 times H2O. Firstly, it will convert to hexa 6 H2O molecules. The water is now boiling. The sound of it can be touched by hand, but not all the drying agent must be touched by hand. Not be touched by hand, like sodium hydroxide, sulfur dioxide. Sorry, I have to tell that copper sulfate. It must not be touched with hand. You stick to the this will be used as a drying agent and for the other chemical reaction. It is a precursor to many magnesium salts. Just because this is very easily found in easy. See, it's boiling. What is boiling? All the crystals have been splattered out, so something about gone wrong. You stick to the pan. It might be turned into hexahydrate. It has lost one molecule of water. Oh, it's see. It's boiling. The water is boiling. See, it's liquefied. It started forming clumps. After losing the water, it can be dangerous, some sort of, not too much of it. See the water globules. Let me see. See the water globules. Oh, it's gone out. This is the water molecule has been lost. It might turn to pentahydrate. What it has, some of the has been not turned into hepta or has been into all heptahydrate. Oh, I spilled much of it. Water start coming off. It will take an hour or so I will not shoot the all apart. See, but I have given the all apart at how to write. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate and comment for my new videos.